got a scatter graph of pupils who sit a physics exam and a chemistry exam with the line of best fit. P is the placeholder for physics and C is the placeholder for chemistry. So point A and B refer to two pupils, and we have to find the equation of the line of best fit. So the first thing we have to do is we have to find the gradient. Now normally I'll put this in inverted commas because we're not using y2 minus y1. Normally this is the equation we use, but we've got a c-axis and a p-axis. So I'm going to use c2 minus c1. In fact, I'm going to use cb minus ca. I will explain what's going on in a second because you might be a bit confused. I found this confusing in school as well, so I don't blame you if you do find it confusing. So CB is the point B, and it's the C value of B. Essentially, the chemistry score that pupil B got. CA is the chemistry score of A. Physics of PB is the physics score of pupil B, and PA is the physics score of A. So look at B is 60% in physics and 74% in chemistry. So chemistry is 74 and physics is 60. CA is 50 and PA is the physics score of A is 40. Now we don't have a calculator. So 24 on the numerator and 20 on the denominator gives us 1.2. We also get the equation y equals mx plus c normally, but we have to modify this. We get c equals mp. And I'm going to, because we already have a c, I'm not going to use the c for the y-intercept or the c-intercept in this case, because we don't have the y-axis, we have the c-axis instead. I'm going to do this and say A is the c-intercept. You could use any other letter except for one of the ones in the equation, but let's call it A and label it. So we want to substitute any point into this and find the corresponding value of A. So let's substitute point A is 50 for C, 1.2 times P is 40 plus A. 1.2 times 40 is 48, so A would be 2. So C equals MP plus A. we can make that c is 1.2 p plus 2. I will do part B in the next video, but I hope you found this useful. I think it's just best if I do the second part in the next video. But that's all there is to this. It's like finding the equation of a line. It's just you change the y-intercept to c and the the y-axis to c and the x-axis to the p-axis. It depends which letters they use in the question.